A portion of the graph of the arithmetic sequence a sub n is shown below. So arithmetic sequence a sub n, let's just write that out. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. What do I know? A sub 1 stands for the first term. The first term is here, not here. The first term is not 10. Let me be clear. The first term is not 10. The first term is whatever this guy is, which appears to be 8.5. So a sub n equals 8.5 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Every time I move over, I go down 1.5, so the common difference is negative 1.5. So it looks like they want us to kind of shift that over. So the actual formula is going to be 8.5 minus 1.5 to the n minus 1. Okay, so you look like you, but you're not. Negative 5 minus 1.5 n minus 10? Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to go back to that. 3 doesn't look like that. However, if I distribute that negative 1.5, I now have 8.5 minus 1.5 n plus 1.5, which gives us 10 minus 1.5 n. So it's definitely 3. 2, I don't see it. You would have negative 1.5 n. 2 would be negative 5 minus 1.5 n plus 15, which no way becomes 10 minus 1.5. Well, I'll be doubting Thomas over here. What a stupid problem. Maybe it's because the problem itself is not the stupid one. Maybe it's just me.